guys, I just can't say how much I really like this thing. I can't explain it, why I like it so much. I guess it looks awesome, and the little thing will just go. It'll just really get up and over some stuff. Right when I'm thinking it's going to get hung up, it just surprises me and just managed to get up and over stuff. I did put a new driver in there. Same style driver, it's just she's wearing all black with a little bit of gold on her. I thought that would look cool with the colors. Also, I put some license plates on it, obviously some RC four-wheel drive. It's really cool that they had RC four-wheel drive contacted me and sent me out a bunch of cool decals. It was really neat, and that was very nice of them. Of course, these are California decals, but I thought they looked really cool being black, and also they're the right scale size. They literally fit on that like it was made for this thing. It fit on the license plate holder, and same on the rear. I just thought it looked really cool. And then I put a little truck decal and a little Bigfoot hunting team. I just wanted to make it a little more scale. Like if I had this, if it was a real truck, you know, I'd probably slap a few little little bumper stickers on it here and there, you know. But anyway, this thing is, of course, it's all stock besides the wheels and tires I put on. Those are WPL, and I made the mod to where the leaf springs are above the axle instead of below it, and that kind of balanced out the height of the ride height, made it look better in my opinion. Plus it gave it a little bit better clearance and kept them leaves from being so down so low to get hung up on anything. They don't get hung at all on anything so far. With all these sticks and everything that I go over, surprisingly the leaves don't get hung up on anything. But of course it only has leaves in the rear, it doesn't have any leaves in the front. It got friction shocks all the way around, and I don't mind the suspension. It's not bad. It's a scale suspension. It doesn't look bad when it's going over things. It has a real look about it. A little bit bouncy, but not bad. It's the vehicle's so light you can't hardly tell. So it's not bad at all. Honestly, for the price of the thing, I have no complaints on it whatsoever. I really just enjoy it and just been having fun with it. Let me know your thoughts on it, and hit me up in the comment section if you got any questions, and don't forget to hit that like button if you do like the video. It does help the channel. It gets my videos out there to everybody. I greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't subbed, think about subbing to the channel. I got hundreds of videos now. I think somewhere around 300. I don't know. I got a lot of videos now on the channel. But anyway, as always guys, thank you for everything.